Hey guys, my name is Kenny and welcome back. Today's video is going to be extra special because ang gagawin natin is susubukan natin yung Vice Cosmetics X and Clutz Collab. So as you guys can see, I have here the full collection and today isuswatch natin and itetest lahat ng products and aalamin natin kung talaga bang maganda siya, kung talaga bang palaban, kung talaga bang pangmalakasan ng pigment, and of course kung swak na swak ba siya sa taong bayan. I'm so smart kasi diba napag-rhyme-rhyme ko lahat ng mga words. And also before we proceed sa pag-test ng mga products from this collection, I just want to say congratulations kay Ate Ann kasi sobrang nakaka-proud, diba? Hindi pa ako YouTuber and wala pa akong channel, napapanood ko na si Ate Ann and seeing her collab and doing great things in life, sobrang nakaka-happy, diba? Sobrang saya ko para sa kanya and deserve niya talaga to. Kaya yun, kung nanonood man po kayo Ate Ann, congratulations and deserve niyo po lahat ng blessings na meron and dumadating sa inyo. And yeah, that's it guys. Ayoko nang pahabain pa yung intro. So, if you guys want to know if the Vice Cosmetics X and Clutz collaboration is worth it, just keep on watching. This is how the Vice Cosmetics X and Clutz collaboration PR looks like. And as you can see, super bright and vibrant ng kulay niya or ng packaging. And also kapag tinignan nyo siya, because it's pink and yellow, parang nakaka-lift siya ng mood. If you guys know me personally, I'm very sure na alam nyo nang mas prefer ko yung mga minimal and sleek na packaging. But I still find this cute. Nice yung packaging nito. And kapag hinawakan nyo siya, it doesn't feel cheap. Which is very important, diba? So yeah, overall for me, I like the branding and packaging nitong collection na to. Okay guys, so mag-start tayo sa pag-a-add ng definition sa face. And yung gagamitin natin is the Vice Cosmetics X and Clutz Face Palette. It says that this one retails for $295 and yung claims ng product is that it is vibrant, buildable, and smooth. So each pan meron siyang 3 grams and sobrang nakakatuwa yung names ng mga shades dito guys kasi etong contour ang pangalan niya is Like, si blush ang pangalan niya is Comment, and si highlight naman ang pangalan niya is Subscribe. Of course, iswatch muna natin and first impressions, it is very soft. And look at that, diba? Grabe yung amount of pigment. Pagdating sa blush, same formula, very soft. And sa highlighter, same lang din guys. Very soft yung formula niya, but it's not buttery. This is Like, and as you can see, grabe yung pigment. Ito naman si Comment, which is yung blush. Very natural yung color niya. It's very soft. And Subscribe looks like this, and wow, grabe yung pigment. Okay, so this time, itest na natin to, and to apply the contour on my face, of course, ang gagamitin ko is brush ni Ate Ann. Ganun dapat on brand tayo kapag ka nagbe-video. Marami siyang napipick up, so be careful. But in fairness, hindi siya ganun ka-powdery. Yun nga lang, medyo natakot ako kasi parang ang dami niya. And let's start applying the contour. Ooh, in fairness sa kulay. You know what guys, at first, akala ko sobrang dark ng kulay na to for my skin tone. But ngayong bin-blend ko na siya, okay naman, maganda yung kulay niya. And true to its claim, neutral yung kulay niya. Kasi when you look at it, diba, it's not too orange or too red. Ang ganda ng shade. Actually, medyo close yung kulay nito sa favorite kong for sure. Parang mas dark lang to ng konti. It doesn't look muddy, which is perfect. Kasi diba may mga contour na kapag nilagay nyo sa cheeks, nagmumukha siyang putek. And I swear guys, napakadali niyang i-blend. Lagay din tayo ng konti dito sa jaw para magkaroon ng definition. And just to see kung okay din ba siya and mukhang shadow kapag nilagay natin. Diba? Oh, nagkaroon na ng shade dito. Okay siya, maganda yung kulay niya. Dito lang talaga sa pan, mukhang intimidating yung kulay niya. But once you apply it sa face, hindi naman. And I feel like kahit maputi kayo, you can make this work. For my nose contour, ito lang din yung gagamitin natin guys. Si Like. For nose contouring, this one is nice as well kasi diba it gives just the right amount of warmth and shadow. And also para may reference kayo, iswatch natin si For Sure tsaka si Like. This one is Like and eto naman si For Sure. Ayan, as you can see, mas deep siya. Wala na kasi ako nung si Confirm. Napamigay ko na siya but that one is darker. So basically parang etong kay Ate Ann yung in-between ng dalawa. For my blush, ang gagamitin natin is si Comment. And this one, it's a little bit powdery. Ayan, hopefully you guys can see. So be careful and make sure to tap off the excess. And let's see how it looks like. Ooh, this one is a nice shade. I like this color. Actually, at first, akala ko sobrang putla niya. Kasi diba kapag tinignan nyo dito sa pan, parang ang lungkot ng kulay niya. But once you apply it sa cheeks, it's nice. And you know what? Sobrang smart nung idea na ginawa nilang light. Kasi diba, pwede nyo siyang i-build up and pwede nyo ding i-tone down. So basically, depending on your mood or preference, you can do whatever kind of blush yung gusto nyong gawin. And same sa contour, this one as well, very easy to blend. Parang ano lang, di ba? Yung blush ng kinikilig. Di ba? Ang fresh lang and ang soft ng effect sa skin. For the eyes, yung gagamitin ko sa video na to is the Vice Cosmetics X Clutz Eyeshadow Palette. 395 pesos yung price nito and yung claims niya is that it is smooth, pigmented, and blendable. Ito yung mga shades na meron inside and the moment I saw this, talagang yung heart ko guys, sobrang happy kasi ganito yung mga shades na love ko. It is very soft. Pinong-pino siya. And etong dark shade, sobrang curious ako dito because I want to see kung talaga bang intense yung pigment. This one is Lucky Commenter and ayan siya. Perfect tong pan-transition. Tapos yung next is eggplant emoji. And eto po yung kanyang swatch. In fairness, it's not patchy. Tapos eto namang isa is plantita, which is yung deepest. Really nice. Perfect siyang pang outer part ng eyes. Or kaya kapag gusto nyo ng super intense na smoky, perfect tong shade na to. Hindi ko na naman alam kung anong eye makeup yung gagawin ko. Hindi na nga pala ako naglagay ng eyeshadow base so that we can see kung okay ba siya and maganda kahit hindi natin lagyan ng kahit ano sa ilalim. So again, this one is the eggplant emoji. Ooh, it's pigmented. Look at that. This one is a nice shade, in fairness. I love it. Ang ganda ng pagka-purple niya. And I don't have any issues naman so far kasi wala pang bumabagsak sa ano ko, under eye. Using a clean brush, kukunin natin tong shade na to, which is called Lucky Commenter. Tapos ang gagawin natin is ipang-blend natin siya ng edge para mas maging soft yung eggplant emoji. Ayan, o diba? Ang nice na niya. Tapos going back with eggplant emoji, medyo i-deepen natin pa ng konti yung outer part. So this time, ang subukan naman natin is si Coffee is Life. And with this shade, ilalagay lang natin siya directly sa crease. So ang gagawin ko is i-open ko lang yung mata ko. Tapos ayan, kung nasaan yung crevice, yun yata yung term doon. Basta yung lubog, doon natin siya ilalagay. This one as well is very easy to blend and it's not patchy. Ito namang shade na plantita, which is yung deepest, yung gamitin natin. This one is nice. I like this color. So kapag ka-feeling nyo yung mga shades dito, especially yung mga browns, hindi siya ganun ka-dark for your preference, pwede nyo gamitin si plantita para ipang-deepen or pang-darken. This time using a flat brush, ang kukunin kong shade is si B-Squad, which is yung unique purple shade dito sa palette. And ang gagawin ko is, ilalagay ko lang siya sa inner part, palabas. And eto siya guys. And to be honest, hindi siya ganun ka-intense. I was hoping na parang sobrang opaque nung kulay niya kapag kanilagay. I mean, nice naman siya, but medyo nakulangan lang ako. Siguro mas maganda to kung talagang mas soft pa. Siguro kung mas creamy siya, like kung familiar kayo dun sa mga shimmer ng Squad Cosmetics. Kung ganun yung formula ng shimmer na to, kapag kanilagay siya sa lid, mas mabilis. So eto guys, ang gawin natin is finger na lang para siguradong mas opaque and mas shimmery siya or mas kumapit. See that, diba? Mas maganda siya kapag ka-finger. Or siguro kung gagamit kayo ng brush, mas okay if binasa nyo siya. Kasi kung hindi basa yung brush na gagamitin nyo, hindi kakapit yung eyeshadow. For my lower lash line, mag-start tayo kay Coffee is Life. Look at that guys, sobrang bilis i-blend and effortless. Para medyo gawin siyang purple, I'm going back with the eggplant emoji. Tapos ilalagay lang natin siya on top. Tapos dito sa part na to guys, maglagay tayo ng konting plantita. This time, ang gawin naman natin is mag-tight line tayo and yung gagamitin natin is the Vice Cosmetics X Clutz na gel eyeliner. 195 pesos yung price nito. Yung claims niya is that it is pigmented, long-wearing, and smooth. Dalawa yung shades na meron sila dito and that is Soft Lang, which is a chocolate brown, and Intense, which is a jet black. Sobrang big fan ako ng paglalagay ng gel liner, especially sa tight line and sa waterline. Kaya excited ako dito nung nalaman kong meron. This one is Intense and ooh, it's very soft. And intense talaga siya. Ganda ng pagka-black nito. I love it. Tapos this one naman is Soft Lang and brown siya. Super nice. Ang ganda ng pagka-brown niya ha, in fairness. Yung shade na gagamitin ko is Intense, which is yung black. I love this. Oh my God, it's so good. If you have sensitive eyes and naghahanap kayo ng soft liner na perfect for tight line Eto guys, I highly recommend this. Ang ganda nito guys, black na black yung color tapos ang bilis niyang i-apply. Ang subukan naman natin this time is the Vice Cosmetics X Clutz Soft Matte Lipstick. This one retails for $195 and yung claims is pigmented, long-wearing, and comfy. Dalawa yung shades na meron dito guys, and that is Clutz and Clutz Vlog. So this one is Clutz and it is a toasted brown shade. And si Clutz Vlog naman is an everyday pink. And here you have it guys. Ito po yung close-up ng swatches. Ganito yung itsura ng shade na Clutz sa aking lips, and for me, this color is just okay. Sorry, Ate Ann, but hindi talaga kasi ako big fan ng mga orange brown. Kaya ayun, hindi ko masyadong... Maganda yung kulay niya actually, but ayun nga, hindi lang talaga siya for me. In terms of formula, it's on point. Sobrang ganda ng formula niya, guys. And sobrang happy ko because yung formula nitong lipstick na to is not the same sa matte lipstick nila. So yeah, for me, yung color lang, hindi talaga ako sanay sa ganitong shade, and ayun, feeling ko talaga hindi bagay. This one, I like. Again, yung shade na to is Clutz Vlog, and I like it. Maganda yung pagka-pink niya. Ang lakas maka-fresh and maka-happy ng kulay. Tsaka even though matingkad siya, hindi siya masakit sa mata. Very soft pa din yung pagka-pink niya. And I feel like etong isang to okay na okay din siyang gamitin kapag ka-iba-blot nyo lang para mas natural tingnan. Overall, for me, I like this lipstick. Maganda yung formula niya. It's very lightweight, it's comfortable on the lips, it's pigmented, one swipe lang, super intense na nung kulay. And also, hindi siya drying, which is very important. Kaya nga, if you have dry or chapped lips, this one, I'm very sure magugustuhan nyo yung formula. Okay guys, so ang subukan naman natin this time is the Clutz Phenomenal Velvet Liquid Lipstick. 195 pesos din yung presyo nito, and yung claims niya is that it is hydrating, cloud-like, and ultra soft. We have two shades dito. Yung first is called Budol, and it is a burnt chocolate shade. And yung second naman is Bekenemen, which is a dusty orchid. Sobrang witty ng mga shade names, nakakatuwa. So this one is Budol. And eto naman si Bekenemen. Super nice ng shade na to, I love. And eto po yung close-up ng swatches. Actually, this one, alam ko nang magugustuhan ko yung formula kasi super love ko yung Velvet Liquid Lipstick ng Vice. Kaya sobrang happy ko nung nakita ko na eto yung napili ni Ate Ann. Medyo drying kasi yung matte liquid lipstick nila, and this one hindi. Ganito yung itsura ni Budol sa aking lips, and sobrang bet ko yung kulay niya kasi 'di ba, yung pagka-brown niya parang may hint of red. Ganito yung klase ng brown color na gusto ko, yung may hint of red, kasi talagang yung mga brown orange, hindi ko ma-appreciate, I don't know why. Pero ito ang ganda niya. I like this one. Sobrang on point ng formula ng lipstick na to kasi 'di ba? Tignan niyo, ginagawa niyang sobrang soft, supple, and cloud-like yung itsura ng lips. So yeah, for me, I like this one. Maganda siya. I love this shade! Oh my god, ang ganda niya! Sa lahat ng shades na meron from this collection, this is probably the most perfect for everyday. Kasi di ba, oh, ang soft lang ng kulay niya, and ang ganda, close yung kulay niya sa lip color. Sobrang soft niya and perfect na perfect for teens. I love this color. Sobrang on point. Ang ganda. Ang subukan naman natin this time is the Vice Cosmetics X Clutz Lip Gloss. 195 pesos yung price nito, and sa claims naman, it says here that it is non-sticky, long-wearing, and high shine. So when it comes to scent, very minty siya. Kaya I'm assuming na medyo parang may plumping effect. I love it. Mabango yung amoy niya. So iswatch muna natin siya sa likod ng kamay. Very glossy talaga. So subukan na natin, and let's see kung anong itsura niya sa lips. Wala nang mahaba pang chika, i-add to cart nyo na siya. Ang ganda nitong lip gloss sa lips. And totoo nga yung claims nila, guys. It's high shine, comfortable, and non-sticky. I mean, diba, look at the shine that it gives sa lips. Talagang parang glass-like siya. This one is so good kasi ginawa niya talagang juicy and plump yung appearance ng lips. Tsaka yung minty scent and feeling niya sa lips is really nice kasi sobrang fresh. I love this one. Instant fave. Ang ganda ng lips ko dito. Grabe guys, magpa-final verdict na sana ako pero nakalimutan kong hindi pa nga pala ako nag-highlight. Kaya ayun guys, mag-highlight tayo and yung gagamitin natin is si Subscribe from the face palette. Hindi siya powdery in fairness. Wala siyang fallouts whatsoever. And let's see. Ooh. Girl. Wow. Oh my God. This is blinding. Hindi ko na-expect kasi akala ko very ano lang to, pa-sweet, soft, ganun. But look at that. Ang ganda ng effect niya sa skin. Actually, parang wet look yung vibes na binibigay nitong highlight eh. Maganda siya in fairness. Di ba tingnan nyo, oh grabe, parang glass-like yung skin with this highlight. Maganda siya. I love it. Medyo na-emphasize niya lang ng konti yung texture ng skin, but I don't mind. Kasi tingnan nyo, oh, di ba, ang ganda ng effect niya. Tsaka yung kulay, akala ko nung una masyado siyang dark for my skin. But ngayong nasa face ko na siya, okay siya. Perfect yung color. Ang ganda niya. And I'm happy na ito yung pinang-end natin kasi yung mood ko, di ba? Sobrang nag-liven up. And here you have it, guys. Ito yung makeup na nagawa natin using the Vice Cosmetics and Clutz collaboration. And overall, for me, sobrang na-enjoy ko to. I had fun using the products and I highly recommend this. Sobrang ganda ng quality ng mga makeup dito sa collection na to, guys. I swear. Hindi nyo pagsisisihan. Face palette is so good, guys. To be honest, at first, hindi ako ganun ka-excited dito. But ngayong nagamit ko na siya sa aking face and nakita ko yung itsura niya, sobrang nagustuhan ko na. Hindi ko ina-expect na ganito yung effect ng highlight sa skin. Ang ganda niya, promise. Gel liner is nice as well because number 1, it's easy to apply kasi soft yung formula. Number 2, it's very pigmented as in one swipe lang. Intense and opaque na yung pagka-black or pagka-brown niya. It's very easy to use as well kasi diba, you don't need to sharpen it na. And also, meron din siyang pantasa sa ilalim kaya kapag kapudpud na yung tip, pwede nyo siyang tulisan ulit. Eye palette is nice as well kasi di ba lahat ng mga colors dito bagay sa kahit anong skin tone and pwede nyo siyang gamitin everyday for day to night. Siguro for me, yung masasabi ko lang na kailangan ni-improve is yung formula nitong shimmer shade. Personally, para sa akin, I feel like this shade would have been better if mas creamy siya para mas mabilis i-apply sa lid. Pero workable naman siya. All you have to do is gumamit kayo ng finger or kaya ng brush na binasa. That way, kapag in-apply nyo itong shimmer, mas intense siya. Dito naman sa lipstick, super nice niya kasi maganda yung formula. Very creamy, very lightweight, and comfortable siya. Tapos yung scent, nakalimutan ko sabihin kanina pero sobrang bango niya, guys. Grabe. And again, yung favorite ko dito sa dalawa is yung pink, which is Clutz Vlog. Grabe yung pigment nito, guys. One swipe lang. Intense na. Phenomenal velvet liquid lipsticks are on point. Super nice ng formula and yung mga shades, ang gaganda. I don't have anything bad to say dito. And lastly, lip gloss. Kung merong isang product dito sa collection na to na kailangan yung i-purchase, I think eto yun kasi sobrang ganda niya, grabe. Kanina pa ako nagsasalita pero tignan nyo naman, sobrang ganda pa din niya. Hindi pa rin siya kumukupas or parang nawawala yung shine. I'm so happy with this collection. Ate Ann, congratulations kasi napakaganda ng mga products and nakaka-proud. Sobrang legit, guys. As in, walang tapon dito sa collection na to. Lahat talaga mabebetan nyo. And yeah, that's it, guys. Feeling ko nasabi ko naman na lahat ng kailangan ko sabihin about the collection. But of course, kung meron kayong question or mga nakalimutan kong sabihin, just let me know sa comment section.